Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to talk about three important operators in regular expressions. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So as you can see here, we have this regular expression, which is going to find each A in this string. And I'm going to show you these operators on this regular expression. And these operators, by the way, are super powerful. Regular expressions would be less powerful. So let's start with the first operator, which is the plus sign. So as you can see here, we have this A, which is we have this regular expression, which is going to find each A in this string. If I add the plus sign, the plus operator, what this plus is going to do is that it's going to find if A exists one time or more. So here, for example, we have software with three A's. It's going to recognize this as a group. So if I save and run, as you can see, it's going to recognize these three A's in a row as one A. In other words, it's going to group these A's into one element here in this array. But if I remove the plus sign and save and run, it's going to get each A in this string alone. It's going to recognize this A alone and this A alone and this alone, etc. But if I add the plus sign, the result is different. The result, as you can see, it's different. And this is important in case we have the same element in a row, or we want to find a specific words, or we want to find a number of words in a string. So the plus sign is important in some applications. The second operator is the question mark. If I add the question mark here, and if I save and run, look what's going to happen. The result is going to be lots of empty elements as well as each A in this string individually. So what this question mark is going to do is that it's going to get 0 or 1 time if A has occurred in this string, meaning that it's going to check each letter in this string, starting from the T in this, all the way to the dot in the channel, and it's going to try to match it with the A. If this T isn't equal to A, which is of course isn't equal to A, it's going to just display an empty element. It's going to return an empty element. And whenever it finds an A, it's going to return it. As you can see here, A and this A and this A. So it's going to return each A individually, not a group. Even if there is a group, it's going to return only A's individually. And if there is no A, it's going to return nothing instead of returning anything else, or instead of returning A. The third operator is the asterisk, which is going to return 0 or more times of that regular expression. So unlike the question mark will return 0 or 1, but the asterisk, if I save and run, as you can see, it's going to return 0 or more, meaning that if there is no A, it's going to return nothing, but if there is an A, it's going to return it. And if there are many A's in a row, as you can see in software here, it's going to return it as a group in only one element. It's going to return all of them in one element here, not individually. So these are three important operators. Let me just recap here and write the function of each one. We have the plus, which is going to return only one or more times of that regular expression. We have the question mark, which is going to return 0 or 1, only 0 or 1 time. of that regular expression. We also have the asterisk, which is going to return 0 or more times. So whenever, for the asterisk, whenever there is no A, it's going to return nothing. If there is an A, only one A, it's going to return it. If there is a group of A's, it's going to return it in a group. So these are very important three operators in regular expressions, and there are many applications that you will need to use these, and I'm gonna show you more applications later. But for this tutorial, I want you to practice these a lot. Try to make your own regular expression and try to just use them and see what they do so that you get more understanding and get better at them. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. This is Most. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.